So the next strategy that I want to talk about with you, how to bring traffic to your website and your web page, is to check out what your competitors are doing. Before we talked about it, we mentioned it in different lectures which we had by now. So before, we went to spyfoo.com, we searched for digitalmarketinginstitute.com, and at the bottom of the page here there was some backlink, right? You see they were using some blogs to bring traffic to their web page. Okay, go there, maybe you find something useful. You see, right, my competitor are using these channels, maybe I can do the same, right? Find bloggers and YouTubers, ask them, invite them, give them some rewards, and ask them to write about your web page, okay, to write about your product, to make a video about your product, right? There was some time ago, a couple of months back, one day I received a message from a company in France. They were a marketing company, and they have created an online tool for marketers, and they asked me that, hey Puya, we saw your courses, they're all great, we saw the review, people are really happy, and what we want to do, we want to offer you, we want to ask you if you can create a course for our tool, okay? Teach how people can use our tool, and instead of that, we will give you these, for example, 2, 3, 4, 5 rewards. All right, for example, one of the rewards they gave me the free access to their website for a couple of years, right? And their website is very great. I'm still using it and enjoying it. And also I accepted their offer, and I created a free course for them, and I put that course on Udemy, on YouTube, to bring traffic for their website. So there are people out there that they're looking for someone like you to use your web page, to use your website, to talk about it, right? Look for them, find bloggers, send them a message. Maybe you send 200 messages and no one answer you, okay? But you will see there's just one time, 2 times that someone will respond to your request, and they will write about your website, they will write about your web page, they will create a video for that, and those blogs or videos will bring a lot of traffic for you. As you can see here, just pay attention to this page. You see this website, digitalmarketinginstitute.com, they are receiving 400,000 users, 400,000 visits from only one blog, okay? If they can do it, why not you? It's pretty much simple, but you have to spend time on it, okay? Nothing comes easy. This is the part that you have to be patient. You have to try over and over. If you don't get result for the first 10 days, for the first month, don't get mad, don't become sad about it. This is how it works, okay? You have to try, you have to find people, you have to ask them to write about your website, to make a video about your website, and suddenly you will find 1 or 2 or 10 people who are willing to do that. Of course, do not forget to prepare a good reward for them, right? No one do something for free and just because you want them to do, okay? It should be good for their situation too, right? Maybe sometimes you will see that some people are exactly looking for the information. For example, let's say you have created a product and you have a website for that product. You will see that some people, they're just looking for someone like you, looking for some product that exactly you have, okay? You just need to find them and inform them. So more or less that was all on how we can use the backlinks of our competitors to find good information on how we can bring more traffic to our website, how we can contact bloggers and YouTubers, right? So that was all about this part. Let's go for the next one.